Digital assets can become an intrinsic part of Web3, a new internet that is expected to remedy the ills of the current web, such as the concentration of power at the hands of a few centralized social media platforms and exploitation of users' personal data. The decentralized and permissionless nature of blockchains is instrumental in distributing communication power, rather than granting it to central authorities. While digital assets bring native digital payments to Web3, they can also function as tokens programmed to play a wide range of roles in digital economic systems. Blockchain and crypto could also make Web3 more community-centered through decentralized autonomous organizations. The main evolutionary steps of the Internet are often represented as the qualitatively different phases dubbed Web 1, Web 2, and Web 3. In the Web 1 era, users couldn't change online data or upload their own content to the websites they were interacting with. The Internet back then consisted of static HTML pages that enabled simple, one-way experiences, such as reading information forums. Web 2 allowed content consumption and simple interaction. Then Web 2 has gradually emerged as a more interactive internet where users were more involved in generating their own content, since these modes of online interactions were mainly facilitated by social media platforms. Web 2 saw the rise of new types of centralized tech giants. The vision of Web 3 is that of the next step toward a better internet. Its central promises include making online platforms decentralized, trustless, and permissionless. It could also bring about digital ownership, digital native payments, and censorship resistance as a new standard of web products and services. Blockchain and crypto are perfectly positioned to become essential technologies of Web 3 because they are inherently decentralized, permitting anyone to record information on-chain, tokenize assets, and create digital identities. How do blockchain and crypto fit into the Web 3 ethos? As noted above, one of the central problems of Web 2 is concentration of power and data at the hands of a few major players. Blockchain and crypto can decentralize Web 3 by facilitating a wider distribution of information and power. Web 3 could employ blockchain-powered public distributed ledgers to allow for greater transparency and decentralization. Blockchain-based projects replace proprietary systems of traditional companies with openly available code. The permissionless nature of the applications built on the blockchain allows anyone worldwide to access and interact with them without restrictions. Blockchain and crypto eliminate the need to trust any third party, such as a bank or an individual intermediary. Web3 users can transact without the need to put trust in any entity but the network itself. Crypto already offers tools like self-custodial crypto wallets that allow users to store their funds without intermediaries. Users can also connect wallets to decentralized apps to use their funds in a variety of ways or showcase their digital items. Blockchains are designed to be censorship-resistant, meaning that no party can unilaterally alter the record of transactions. Once the record has been added to the blockchain, it's nearly impossible to remove it. This feature could help preserve all manner of speech from government and corporate censorship. Web 3 may well rely on technologies that are not related to blockchain or cryptocurrency. Crypto could provide digital native payment rails and much more. Utility tokens can unlock a universe of use cases essential for Web 3. Also, NFTs could help verify identity and ownership within the digital realm, in a way that does not compromise users' control of their personal data. Blockchain technology can become one of the foundations of Web 3, but users might not even notice it. If the applications built on blockchains are user-friendly and intuitive, people will not give the underlying infrastructure another thought, much like we rarely consider the data servers and internet protocols that are foundational to social media platforms that we use daily. NFTs could enable users to display digital collectible items to other users and help create and maintain their unique digital identities. They could also serve other functional purposes, such as underpinning many key processes in online gaming.
If you found this article useful, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can also visit our website, where you find great educational contents about cryptocurrency. As a member of our Cryptocurrency Academy, you'll have access to exclusive resources and tools to help you stay informed and make better trading decisions. Additionally, discover and join our Discord. Our Discord server will provide a supportive network of like-minded individuals who can provide guidance, advice, and encouragement.